Hi everybody, this is Sonia and this is Cat Crazy Creations. I hope everybody is doing well. I am outside to do my second container gardening update. As you can see, this is the tomatoes. I did get one picked today. It's red, a little bit squishy, not much. But yes, this came from this plant that you're looking at. So very happy with that. And we have a new one coming up right here. And then there are two more. This one and that one. It's starting to turn the orangey red color. So we have that one, and this one is growing but has not did anything. Up here we do have some little blossoms, so we should be hopefully getting some tomatoes on here. Really happy about that. And then over here we have our lettuce. Is starting to grow now. Look really green, really healthy. And then there's these over here. It's a little bit windy today, so sorry if you can hear that. But yeah, that's the lettuce. So lettuce seems to be doing very well. Now I will go over to the beans. The beans are doing exceptionally well. This is the wildflowers. Not doing too good yet. Got one right here, and a little one right there. But that looks to be about it. So I don't know if I'm going to have much success with those or not. Now here are the beans. Beans are doing great. No starts yet of any beans yet, but they are doing very, very nicely over these last couple of weeks. So yeah, doing really, really good. Really happy with how those are turning out. So that's my update. I just wanted to show you guys how things have changed over the last couple of weeks. Everything's growing. This one is starting to get blossoms, which is good. And the lettuce is looking really, really good. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, for taking the time to watch. Make sure to like, to share, comment, and of course, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. And that way you will be able to check out more of my 2018 summer container gardening. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.